Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Offshore Injury Lawyer. If you are a seaman, chances are that you already know how dangerous maritime work can be. Accidents can happen frequently, and injuries are all too often. Many of these injuries leave maritime workers with severe health conditions and large medical bills. As an offshore worker, however, you have legal rights under general maritime law and the Jones Act that protects you in the event of injury sustained while on the job. Since maritime law has its own sets of rules and regulations that are quite different from land-based laws when it comes to accidents and injuries, you will need an experienced offshore injury attorney who specializes in and has in-depth knowledge of maritime law and disability benefits. What is an offshore injury lawyer? Offshore attorneys specially focus on cases involving maritime law, sometimes known as admiralty law. This unique set of laws were written solely for the maritime industry and to help protect workers in the event of an accident, illnesses, and injuries. Maritime laws are different from any other type of disability law, including workers' compensation, in that they are only provided to those who work offshore. These laws are extremely intricate, and not all attorneys are equipped with the knowledge about how maritime laws, acts, and regulation work. An offshore attorney helps those who have been injured at work by applying their knowledge of maritime laws in order to assist the clients in receiving the benefits they are entitled to. Why do seamen need an offshore injury lawyer? When seamen are injured on a job, in a ship, or an offshore facility, they are legally entitled to receive compensation for their medical costs and living expenses while they recover. This compensation, known as maintenance and cure, is required by the provision of general maritime law that govern personal injuries on the job. In many instances, however, employers and their insurer attempt to pay only a fraction of maintenance and cure, or in some cases not pay at all. Employers usually want to deny that they are responsible for any injury sustained by the workers on a vessel and other offshore facilities. Not only does it hurt their profit margin, but it also sustains the reputation. In many cases, they will not only dispute the claim, but they will retaliate against employers who seek compensation by making it difficult for claimants to find other maritime work. This retaliatory tactic is known as blacklisting, because offshore injury occur far from where investigation can be carried out without complications. It is easy for a company to try to make things look more in its favor than it is injured workers. If an offshore accident occurs, the employers will send lawyers and investigators on short notice to make sure the evidence is titled to fit its version of event and make it difficult for the injured person to make a successful claim. Offshore injury lawyers are experienced in detecting these types of tactics and trained to handle the intricacies that come with the maritime cases. Seamen may also be entitled to compensation for lost wages, additional medical expenses, and pain and suffering under the Jones Act. In addition, for maritime workers who may not qualify as a seaman, such as harbor or longshoremen, other acts are in place that protects them in the event of an accident or injury. An experienced offshore injury lawyer will be able to explain your options to you and fight to ensure that you get the damages you are entitled to. The next discussion is about what types of accidents and injuries does an offshore injury lawyer cover. An offshore injury lawyer covers any maritime accidents in which a seaman is injured due to the negligence of another party. Common examples include failure of employers to provide adequate safety training, ensure all equipment is in working, functioning order, provide proper safety gear and protective clothing, provide appropriate rest periods and breaks, make sure work areas are clear of dangerous materials and debris, provide warning signs in appropriate areas, ensure ladders and steps are stable and in functioning order. If you have been injured due to the aforementioned example or for any reason that could have been prevented with appropriate employer behavior, an experienced offshore injury lawyer will work with you on the details of your case and will make you sure you understand your legal rights and options. The next discussion is about what if I cannot afford an offshore injury lawyer. Most offshore injury attorneys understand that if you are currently out of work due to an injury, you probably do not have the upfront money for attorney fees. Fortunately, experienced and knowledgeable offshore injury lawyers usually have financial backing already set in place in order to offer payment options on a contingency fee basis. A contingency fee basis simply means that you pay nothing upfront. Your attorney does not get paid until you win your case. When a certain percentage is taken out for attorney fees, the fees were decided on between you and your attorney beforehand. It is important to note that it is always a good idea to choose an offshore injury lawyer that offers contingency payment plan. If upfront fees are needed to take out on your case, there is a good chance the attorney does not have the financial resources available to successfully represent you. Compensation for maritime injuries, although maintenance and cure benefits must be provided regardless of how the accident happened. You may also be eligible for emotional trauma, pain and suffering, additional medical expenses, disfigurement, and lost wages. An offshore injury lawyer will review your case and negotiate on your behalf to ensure that you get the best benefits possible. If you have been injured, it is important to never sign any paperwork until you fully understand your rights and what you may be entitled to. For more information on your rights and compensation, refer to our article, Maritime Rights and Compensation. Additional resources and information. For more detailed information on maritime injuries, legal rights and resources, and understanding your rights, we invite you to fill out form to receive a complimentary maritime injury information. I think that's all guys, the information that I can say to you. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you need information related to maritime topics, you are in the right channel, because in this channel we provide it a lot. And then if you guys want us to talk about or discuss about the information that you need about maritime topic, you can just drop your comment below in the comment section, and later when we have a chance we'll talk about it. And then if you guys want us to talk about, or maybe if you have a question, maybe you can also drop your question in the comment section, and later when we have a chance, we have time, we will answer your question too. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, family, and your loved one. Maybe they need information related to maritime topics, so when you share this video to them, it means you already helped them to get through their problems. By sharing this video, you let them know that in this channel we provide a lot of information, a lot of video with different topics, each video that maybe help them to get through their problems. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye guys, see you in another video.